Hello everyone, Akash here. Should you invest in real estate or stock market or both? Many investors turn to stock market as a place to put their investing dollars. Yes, stocks are well-known investment option. On other hand, not everyone knows that buying real estate also considered an investment. I will go through in this video all the pros and cons you need to know. Should you invest in stock market or real estate? Real estate can be alternative to stocks, offering lower risk. Depend on your situation. Maybe you're planning for retirement or saving for college funds or anything else. Investing in stock market make the most sense when paired with benefit that boost your return, such as company matching in 401k, but those not available to everyone. And there is a limit how much you can benefit from it. Keep in mind, investing in the stock market independently can be unpredictable, and return on the investment is often lower than expected. If you compare the risk factor between stock market and real estate, remember the housing bubble on 2008 brought a decline in value for investor in real estate and the stock market, and COVID-19 crisis doing all over again. But it's very important to remember that stocks and real estates have very different risk overall. The most important risk that people miss that real estate requires a lot of resource. It's not just something you just go into casually and expect immediate result and return, because real estate not an asset that you can easily liquidate, and you may not be able to cash it quick enough when you need the money. Especially those home flippers who owns real estate properties, risk that come with handling repairs or managing rentals. The main issue you will come across are the cost, also the time and headache of having to deal with the tenant. On other hand, stock market subject to many different risks. Like I said before, economy and inflationary risk. Stocks value can be extremely volatile, with their prices subject to fluctuation in the market can be caused by geopolitical and economy or any other specific events. For instance, a company has operation in other country. This foreign division subject to the laws and rules of that nation. If that country economy has problem or a political trouble arise, that company stocks most likely to suffer. Stocks are also subject to the economy cycle as well as monetary policy regulation, tax revision, or even change and interest rate set by the country's central bank. Other risk comes from the investor themselves, especially if those investors choose not to diversify their holding, are also exposed themselves for bigger risk. So let's look at some of the pros and cons in real estate. Real estate investors have the ability to gain leverage on their capital and take advantage of substantial tax benefit. But real estate, you cannot sell it overnight as you can do it with stocks. Also, the long-term cash flows provides passive income and the promise of appreciation. But it's important to keep in mind the amount of money goes into real estate investment. Make sure you have the ability to secure a down payment and finance if you are not making all cash deal. So the pros and cons on stocks. For the most investor don't need lots of money to start investing in the stock market. Also, you can buy and sell stocks anytime. And if you choose diversified portfolio, that's probably going to be the best way to build your wealth over time. But keep in mind, stocks are more risky investment than real estate, especially if you panic and sell stocks. Also, selling your stocks may result in a capital gain tax. That can make your tax burden heavier. Also, if you don't have lots of money invested in the stock market, your investment will grow really slow. So the bottom line is, real estate and stocks both present risk and reward. You will find many detailed videos on my channel playlist, Beginner Guide to Stock Market. Also, how to invest in real estate market. If you have any question, you could always ask me in the comment section down below. Also, you could reach me through Instagram. You'll find all the link down below in the description box. Take care.